All right, I've got a box in front of me, and that means another unboxing. So, not a watch today, but it is watch related. We have a Wolf watch box, or what I assume is a watch box, just from the sheer size. So, let's just get into it here. I guess let me do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Llanos Avisos. All right, I asked for a new watch box this year for Christmas, and looks like I got it. And I'll be doing a comparison between a budget brand watch box versus a little bit higher end. This is still not like custom made or anything like that. Wolf is just a decent brand watch box. So let's just get into it and see what we got. I've never owned a watch, a Wolf product before, so I don't know what to expect. But I know their products do come highly recommended. So, got some paper. So we have, what is this, like a card holder? We have a key. Pop that out if I can. I don't want to ruin it. Looks like a keychain for this key. Oh my God, this is terrible. Here we go. I guess is to lock and unlock the watch box itself. But if someone wanted to steal something, they would probably just break it into, break the glass. So this is a warranty card, and that just tells the story. Genuine Wolf product. I like that. Fill that out later. What is this, cardboard cover? And there we go. There she is. Put this off to the side, and let me take this out. Oh, come on now. And then we'll put this off to the side for a second. Make sure there's nothing else in the box, which there is not. Okay. Oh God, that was loud. So here it is. The Wolf box. This is a 10-slot watch box. And they come with these nice pillows here. I don't know if you can see the detail. Very lightweight. Feels like they can hold your watches. Pretty nice. Now, my other watch box has like a felt pillows. So, this is just more of a silky material. Let's see here. Let's turn this around here. Just make sure there's nothing else. Okay, so here's the back of it. And it looks like, I don't know if that's like something you could like feed a wire through. I'm not sure. On the bottom here, we have, let's see, just Wolf logo at the bottom, and then a little sticker that says Wolf Designs. But yeah, on the back here, like I said, we got a nice embossed wolf here with silver lettering there. And like I said, you might be able to feed a USB plug through there, maybe to charge a watch, maybe to add some additional lights. Let's see here, we got some nice hinges. Let's flip this around. Nothing else in here, nothing extraordinary. But there you can see the USB port from the inside. So I'm not sure if that's to feed that specific watch, to say if you had a smartwatch, you could still plug it in there, which I'm assuming it is, but nothing came with it. So as far as this lid here, you have the locking mechanism here. So let me just try to lock this up here. Does this even work? There. Nope. Come on now. You're making me look silly. Does this not work? Is this just for aesthetics? It has to lock, I would assume. I don't know. I'm not sure if it does lock. just scratching up the key a lot. Is this? No, it has a hole in there to lock. Am I doing it the wrong way? Ah, I was doing it the wrong way the entire time. So yeah, to lock it counterclockwise, and now it's locked. Put it back in there clockwise. I was doing it the opposite direction. So there's a locking mechanism, and this is a bottom tray here. And you can't put any watches down here. I'm not sure if they have another design that has an extra row of where you can put watches. I assume there is, but you have like these ring trays. You have stuff for cufflinks and an extra couple dishes. Here I'm assuming you can put either extra bands or bracelets, stuff like that. So if I want to put my ring in there, boom, look at that. Nice ring holder. And then here, you know, you put the key, but that would kind of be stupid for you to do that, but whatever. You can put whatever coins and stuff you want to put on that, but it feels pretty nice. Good construction. Same with silky material here. These nice soft pillows. So overall, it's actually a very nice watch box. Let's see if there's anything else that I can show you on the inside here. Nope, that's just the inside of the drawer, I guess. So very nice construction overall. I like it. Let's go ahead and put a couple watches in here. Oops. I'm gonna break it now. First thing I'm gonna do is gonna break it. So we're gonna put in the Ingersoll Scoville. Go ahead and pop that in there. If it will let me. There we go. What else do I have here? Got the Q Timex. Pop that on. Doing this backwards and on camera just adds to the nervousness, I guess. Let's see what else. What else? I guess I could put on the or put in the Llanos Avisos. Take this off real quick. We'll just put that in there like that. And there we go. So close everything nice. Looks really nice. Looks very sleek. The leather on it's nice. The stitching looks good from a distance. So very nice stitching. Yeah, everything on there looks good. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on that. Maybe it is just a, you know, thing you could put some USB ports through or something like that if you had a couple smartwatches. Overall, pretty nice though. Let's go ahead and give this a lock one last time. And everything is locked and secured. So there is the Wolf unboxing, the Wolf watch box unboxing. I'm not sure of the exact product. I might have to let's just pop in right there the exact product, just so I don't confuse you guys at all. So there it is. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and I will be doing a comparison between this watch box and a more budget watch box in the future. So all right, that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Oh, that was creamy. Ooh. Ooh. That was good.